I usually say, you see one room tour, you've seen them all. But guys, that's no longer true for these rooms on board the Icon of the Seas. So stay tuned to check out this Oceanview room tour.
Right by the entrance of the room is the bathroom. There is no shortage of storage in here. Storage beneath the sink and a drawer. After touring multiple staterooms, we can confirm that the showers are now larger and have a seat in all room types. The bathroom now has 2 standard US outlets.
Here's a full-length mirror. That's pretty much standard in all staterooms. And right behind the bathroom will be the closet. The closet has 2 sides to hang clothes. One side can accommodate longer items. There's also storage underneath with baskets. Now you're probably wondering, well, where is the safe? Here it is. You have the safe, your Wi-Fi extender, and additional shelving behind the mirror.
This room is a standard double occupancy stateroom, so the couch does not pull out. The side table has a standard US and USB outlet and is attached to the wall and does not move when the beds are split.
I couldn't figure out what to call this, but I call it a dresser. And again, we have more storage. There are 5 drawers along with the cooler. Comment below and let me know what you guys will call this.
Now, to compete with the massive storage are the outlets. There is a 120 volt, 2 USB, a European, and 2 USB-C outlets. That's new. And another mirror. Here we go. So I wanted a small table where you can move. Apparently Quanda, she has said something to me, but we never listen to her.
That's rude. Remember the competition? Well, here are more shelves and 2 more USB outlets. Royal, you want us to charge everything in this room.
So this side table is movable, which allows the bed to be split. But of course, they did not put any outlets on this side. But you have enough outlets all over the room. You don't need no more.
Here is the large ocean view window. There is a little pad in the window where someone, maybe a kid, can sit and enjoy the views. Alright guys, so that is the end of this room tour, which is an Oceanview Stateroom on board the Icon of the Seas. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like. Any questions, comments, or concerns, you can leave those below as well. And if you made it this far in the video and you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Since you need time to subscribe, I'm going to sit here and wait until you subscribe. Go ahead. Thank you for subscribing. But no, seriously, guys, if you already subscribed, thank you. And you guys will see us in the next room tour. Bye.